Example 1, an object is launched straight up with a velocity of 33 meters per second, strikes the ground at the same elevations. It's just like the air rocket lab we're going to do. Use the acceleration of gravity to be negative 9.80 and neglect air friction. What time did it take to reach the top? We need a question mark on that. Can I buy a question mark? How high does it go? What total time is in the air? So this thing is going to go, let's draw a little picture here. It's going to go up. Right, it's going to go down. There we go, right? Okay, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to set up X, VI, VF, A, and T, right? And I'm going to go from the ground to the top, okay? Okay, let's see. My initial velocity is positive 33 meters per second, and my final velocity at the top, that final velocity is 0 because it's at the top. So this is power tip number 1, right? Final velocity is 0 at the top, right? And then my acceleration all the way up is negative 9.80, right? So remember, you can have an acceleration too that's opposite the direction you're moving. It just means you're slowing down and stopping, right? Okay, so let's see, what time did it take? So I guess what I'm going to use no x to find t. Okay, to find the time. Okay, no x is this guy, right? So 0 equals 33 plus negative 9.8 times t. Or if you remember your triangle problems, you just go 33 divided by 9.8, right? So 33 divided by 9.8 is 3.367 seconds. Right, and notice I'm just sort of rounding here to 3 figures, so 3.37 would be about right. Okay, I'm going to answer total time in the air too. Okay, total time is equal to 3.3673 seconds up plus 3.3673 seconds. Since it's the same elevation, right, I can just take that number and multiply by 2. So this number times 2. So this is the time it takes to just go up, right? If I multiply by 2, I'll get the total time in the air because it spends that much time going up and that much time going down. So this is a total of 6.73 seconds total time in the air, right? So that's the answer here. This is 6.73 seconds. This answer is just 3.37 seconds, right? And then we want to know how high does it go, right? Okay, so to figure that out, I think I'm going to use no t to find x. So how high? I'm going to use this guy. Vf squared is vi squared plus 2ax. So 0 squared is equal to 33 squared plus 2 times negative 9.8 times x. All right. You definitely need a better teacher because I'm going to now take the next step here, right? So 33 squared is a big number. Okay, so 0 is equal to 1089 plus negative 19.6x. And then I'm going to put this on this side, so negative 1089 equals negative 19.6x. I'm going to ignore the minus signs and divide that by 19.6. Hopefully I'll get the right answer. Yep, x is 55.56. I'm just going to say 6 meters. Ta-da. Here we go. All right, so the power tip we used was acceleration is gravity, right? That's the acceleration of gravity. We used the final velocity was 0 at the top. Otherwise, it's just stuff you know. We're just using formulas that you already know how to use, okay? All right.